Hello, folks. It has been a long while since I have recorded and made a video like this. I wanted to go back to sketchbook videos, and so here I am. I'm sketching Eous from Zenless Zone Zero for you guys today as I talk about kind of what has been going on, what has been happening with me. Why I've not been recording a lot of videos and doing some Twitch and YouTube multi-streaming lately. So I took a major hiatus in December, and that is because I actually moved into a new location. I am now currently parentless free, and I have my own space to myself. I have been self-sufficient, independent woman, all that kind of good stuff, and I am really excited for this new part of my journey. My boyfriend also moved during the same period, so he actually is now here with me, and I've just been enjoying every single moment with him. I have also been teaching, and I've had my ups and downs with that. The biggest down has been I did have to leave my school. This was due to some licensing reasons, but also some personal reasons. When I was teaching, I didn't really have a lot of support from my admin. So it really took my mental and physical health into a bad spiral. So at the beginning of this year, I actually ended up in the hospital. I was at my parents' house, and I was eating some fried food, and I got violently sick. I was dealing with some illness off and on for the past year or so, but it finally took its toll on me at that point in time. So my mom told me to please stay at home, and so I did, and what ended up happening was that I had to go to the hospital about 4 a.m. in the morning because I was having a gallbladder attack. I had to get my gallbladder completely removed, but also I was dealing with sepsis. So they had to keep me in the hospital for a good 3 days. I was very ill. I was also very dehydrated, and also they had to put fluids out of me. That, you know, I was basically on the verge of dying if I didn't get this gallbladder out. So I had recovery for about a month, and during this entire time, this was the start of my second semester last year. So I was out. I couldn't even really talk to my students or really teach them or anything like that. I ended up coming back to school about a month afterwards, and I was not ready. It ended up getting myself really hurt during this process. My mental health really was down in the gutter because I just did not have I was not in the right state of mind. My admin was not supporting me. My teachers weren't supporting me. And it was also not a very good experience. I took some time this summer to get myself back on track, to get myself feeling much better. Mentally and physically. I did a huge cleanse, so that has helped me with my stomach issues. I know a lot of you know that I have major IBS and IBD. And then also, I really took just time to myself. I'm rediscovering who I am and what I want to go and put out into the world, what I want to do. So I'm starting my sketchbook series now, as you guys see, and I'm hoping to make this at least a monthly thing, maybe even 2 weeks, but we'll see. We'll see how much I do, how much I can do, and simply go from there. So I'm trying out these new Simptap markers, as you guys can see, from Arrtx, and I absolutely love these things. They are so juicy. I saw Rin Spirit Art use these, and I was like, I need to get these right away and try them out. So I wanted to try them out on this spread here and do a completely acrylic art marker spread. So as you see, they just lay down so nicely. And I am so excited about them because sometimes I want to do more things with paint, but I don't want to go and get like all of my painting supplies out, all of my like my waters, my brushes, all the stuff. So having a new alternative in something that looks like super nice like this was really exciting. I have 2 sketchbooks, as you guys can see. I have one sketchbook which is almost completed, so I'm really excited that I might be able to do a sketchbook tour video soon. And then I have another sketchbook that I have been working on a little bit off and on, and I've been doing a lot of my swatching in that sketchbook, so a lot of supply swatching. So I'm able to go and test my supplies before I put them down on paper like this. I use a Pilot Color Eous pencil in red to go and do my sketch, and honestly I like using the colored pencils more now versus a regular pencil. I don't know, it's a more fun, and also you can get rid of that color too when you scan it in your scanner. So as I am coloring Eous right now from Zenless Zone Zero, I am obsessed with this game. Oh my gosh. I'm a huge Puyoverse fan anyways, and I love Genshin. I love, I liked Honkai when it came out, but Zenless Zone Zero was like everything that I wanted in a action JRPG for a bit. It is, it has the feel of Persona, but it has the action mechanics that I like from games like Final Fantasy and Devil May Cry and other fun games. It also has a system, like a social link system as well, which I think is really fun. And they have cute little Bangboos, like look at them! And there's so many of these little rabbit creatures called Bangboos that are everywhere in this universe that I am completely obsessed with. So I still love Genshin, don't get me wrong, but I am definitely really into this, really into Zenless Zone Zero right now. So as I'm coloring this, I'm gonna just tell you guys future plans, because I am so excited right now for future plans in general for me. Since I am now not working for a school system, I am able to have some time for myself. And honestly, that's probably been the best thing for me. I know that some people are like, but it's probably the best thing for my mental health and for my physical health right now. Again, I didn't have a supportive admin system. They sometimes when you're a teacher, especially a new teacher, they decide that where they put kids at, you know, it would be nice if they put, you know, some more difficult children in other locations. But I had a lot of kids that had a lot of issues. And I did not have support from admin or any kind of co-teacher. I really had to deal with it all myself. A lot of those ended up, I was physically assaulted. I was mentally abused. Kids cussed at me all the time. And I taught art. It wasn't like I taught a difficult subject, or a subject that is like, oh yeah, you just need to try in art classes, especially in my class, you need to just try. And I would literally have, it was hard. I had kids cussing at me all day long, and people say that it's, you have to have a thick, it's like I would have to have a thick skin, blah blah blah. But having that abuse on you every single day for as long as I did, and with really no other like support for you while being sick, really wasn't something that I wanted to live with. I decided to put my own health and happiness first. So that's why I ended up, I'm deciding to substitute instead for a little bit and focus on things like this. Focus on my own career path, doing art here online and on YouTube, and creating an Etsy store and other avenues like Patreon, and just in general enjoying the process of art again, because it has been a long time since I've really enjoyed doing something like this. There was a lot of constraints when I was working in the school system when it came to art, and I didn't agree with it. I didn't agree with what my coworkers said, what people were saying. And, I have my own style. I have my own techniques. I have my own thing that I can do. My own way of doing things. So, as you guys will see, I will probably be working on a Patreon more. I will be doing more of these videos, so I'm hoping that I can go and have a sketchbook video or some sort of video content for you every 2 weeks or so. That is my goal. I am doing live streams every week, so I'm doing one normally on Saturday and normally on Monday, but sometimes this will change, so just look on my Twitter. My Twitter is where I normally go and do a lot of talking to you guys about stuff. So as I am finishing this up, I am using a Posca pen. All of the supplies that I use are actually down in my description, and you guys can go and check those out as well. But this is just a little paint liner pen, and I just was like, okay, let me go and try to get this, try to work on things, try to get things going. As you see that I did a little smudge, but it kind of was pretty cool actually when I did that. I wanted to make it a little bit more graphic, so using that black line really kind of helped. And this is a sketchbook. This is just in my sketchbook. So, I mean, no one, except for you guys, really is going to, care about it, see it. So, it's getting, it's one of those things, I, just wanted to go and have fun, experiment. That's what a sketchbook is for, it's experimentation. So I'm finishing this up, getting all this stuff done, and yeah, my main goal now is just to have more fun with my art. So, I mean, if you guys really want to join back and look at my, join back and see how, I go, where I go with this, go ahead and give me a follow, give me a like. All the support that you guys can provide me is awesome. I really appreciate it. I know that I have a time and a half to go, and I'm hoping that you guys stick with me and, join my live streams, join everything. So here's the final page, Eous from Zenless Zone Zero. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that you want to like and subscribe to my video. And yeah, I will see you guys next time.